Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x minus 2 whole cube is equals to negative 8 and we have to find the values of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I'm going to start with a very famous identity, that is a minus b whole cube, which is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now we can write this as x cube minus 3 times x square times 2 plus 3 times x times 2 square minus 2 cube is equals to negative 8. So it becomes x cube minus 6x square plus 2 square is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12x minus 8. And if we'll take this 8 to other side, positive 8 is equals to 0. So now we can eliminate this negative 8 with positive 8. So what is left? X cube minus 6x square plus 12x is equals to 0. If I'll take x as common, so x square minus 6x plus 12 is equals to 0. Now we have two roots, either x is equals to 0, so we can give the value x1 is 0, or x square minus 6x plus 12 is equals to 0. Now it's look like a quadratic equation, so we are going to simplify this with the help of quadratic formula, that is x is equals to negative b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So x is equals to negative 6 plus minus square root negative 6 square minus 4 times 1 times 12, 2 times 1. So x is equals to 6 plus minus under root negative 6 square is 36 times 4 times 1 is 4 times 12 is 48 by 2. So x is equals to 6 plus minus under root 12 with negative sign by 2, and under root negative 1 is iota. So x is equals to 6 plus minus under root 12 times negative 1 by 2. So x is equals to 6 plus minus under root 12 iota by 2. Under root 12 we can write it as 2 root 3 by 2. If I'll take 2 as common from the numerator, so x is equals to 3 plus minus under root 3 iota by 2. We can cancel out. So the value of x2 is, x1 we already written 0. x2 is 3 plus root 3 iota, and x3 is 3 minus square root of 3 iota. These are the values of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.